Well, here she is, #1 Caledonia in my book every day. I just spoke to one of the contestants from the World Amateur, and the ladies are playing this golf course today. They said it was very difficult, but the greens rolled absolutely perfect. Every hole has a beautiful sight. We're looking at the 18th right here, where you're taking your last shot over the water. The greens are magnificent, they really are. But look at that view. Look at that marshland. The entire course is like this. Nothing but kudos all day from the people that I interviewed. So, you know, as I mentioned earlier, you know, this could be a little pricey, but if you're coming down here and playing 5 to 7 courses, this is like, to me, playing Pinehurst #2. You may only do it once, and it's expensive. However, Caledonia is not as expensive as #2, I assure you. But a lot of people come to Myrtle with the sense that it's cheap golf, and there is real value here. But this is probably one of the pricier venues. Well worth it, in my opinion. Spectacular. Jimmy G signing out. Cheers.